Right, on YouTube, no, don't mind, it's just the TV. Just gonna show you what I'm doing right now. Then I'm gonna do a test. See the trunking's off, core point's all apart because I've just changed around the polarity of the core point, so it's now on the negative side is switched. Then I've got a little switch here. It's a test switch to put the second tone on it. I've done it with T&E cable, negative, positive, and then that's the second tone. I can close that now, I don't need that open. There you go. Right, I'll just show you in it once I've finished wiring this all back in. Okay. Right, I'm just going to put all the trunking back on, and that's all nicely back up. Alright, I'll show you the system again, this time with the signal mode. It's temporary little switch there. When I rebuild the panel thing down there, I'm going to put another key switch for the signal on the new panel, which is made out of acrylic box, not cardboard, from an old core point. This core point here. That's what the panel's made out of. Right, let's give this a shot. Pretty loud, isn't it? Bloody hell. That actually is very loud. None of the other alarms going off, it's just attached to this alarm. Right, okay. I'll show you again the standard system. And it goes back to closing the door so our rabbit doesn't get in. Right. Then it can go back to standard alarm with the core point. Gentle out there. Switch got lost. Right, I'm going to have to pull that out of it. Right, anyway, that's that. Thanks.